morning children. I am Jamuna, TGT Bioscience, TTWURJC, Medan. Today I would like to teach a topic from our 10th class first lesson, that is nutrition food supplying system. And the topic is autotrophic nutrition. Auto means self, trophic means feeding. Organisms which prepare food by their own are called autotrophic nutrition. For example, plants, and plants are called autotrophs. Plants are the only organisms which can prepare food on its own, and hence plants are called as producers. And children, do you know the plants only can prepare the food? The rest of the animals will depend upon their food needs directly or indirectly on plants. That's why animals are called consumers. Let us see how plants are preparing food. By utilizing some inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight, plants are preparing food. Needs of plant to prepare food. What actually plant needs to prepare food? Materials required for preparation of food are called raw materials or sources. Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll are the sources. Let us discuss about sources. Sources are two types, external and internal. CO2 means carbon dioxide, water and sunlight are called external sources. And these external sources are coming from outside of the plant. And internal source, chlorophyll is the internal source. Here if you see, sunlight is coming from sun and carbon dioxide is coming from atmosphere and is getting into the plant by means of stomata, and water is coming from soil and it is absorbed by the roots, and chlorophyll present in the plant body itself, and it is a internal source and it is a crucial substance which is participated in the photosynthesis process. What actually chlorophyll is? Chlorophyll is a pigment, green color pigment which is present in a chloroplast. Raw materials and sources. Carbon dioxide, atmosphere is the source. Water, soil is the source. Sunlight, sun is the source. The chlorophyll, leaf is the source. Light, water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll are the sources for photosynthesis, and the source of light is the sun and it is absorbed by chlorophyll, and chlorophyll traps the sunlight energy to make food, and water is absorbed by means of roots, and carbon dioxide enters through the stomata of the leaves. What is the process is known as? The process by which plants preparing food is known as photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means to produce. By using sunlight, plants are preparing food. What they are preparing? By this method, plants preparing complex substances like carbohydrates means glucose, proteins and fats, and as a byproducts we will get water and oxygen by this process. Let us discuss energy transforms in photosynthesis. In photosynthesis process, light energy is converted into chemical energy. Children, shall we see the definition of photosynthesis once? Yes, photosynthesis is the process by which plant containing the green pigment chlorophyll build up complex organic molecules from simple inorganic one using sunlight as an energy source. Children, photosynthesis is not a simple reaction, it is a complex one, and many scientists were tried to formulate photosynthesis process. Scientist C.B. Van Til in 1931 formulated the process of photosynthesis as follows. According to him, the formula of photosynthesis is this one: 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O in presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll, C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2, and carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll will give rise to carbohydrates, water and oxygen. And glucose is a main product and water and oxygen are byproducts. And here the liberated O2 is coming from water but not from carbon dioxide. It is practically proved. I would like to explain photosynthesis once again. This carbon dioxide and water are combining by taking sunlight energy from sunlight, and chlorophyll is preparing food. As a byproduct we are getting oxygen, which is useful in our respiration. And photosynthesis process is not only giving us food but also is giving oxygen. This is the beauty of the process of photosynthesis. Van Niel first worked on purple sulfur bacteria and found light plays a specific role in photosynthesis. And Robert Hill showed that oxygen is released from water during this reaction. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session.